What's up guys, here we are on another unboxing and review. On this video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the red PS4 Camo Dualshock controller by Sony. At first we are going to start with the unboxing, then we are going to talk about the controller, its features, and I'm going to show you how to connect it with your computer and your phone. There are a lot of colors, but I decided to get this one in red camo. So let's start with unboxing it to see what's in the box. So here we are. The packaging looks good. Let's open this up. Okay. Okay, here we go. Wow. So this is the here we have some user manual, some paperwork. Here we have the charger, just a cable, and here we have the controller itself. This really looks amazing, just like the picture. Wow, I think the red camo is better than just a plain red. I don't know, that's in my own opinion. I don't know for you guys, but I like the red camo. The grip is amazing, the matte finish and everything looks really clean. Wow. So that's all for the unboxing. First things first, we are going to talk about the design. The design looks amazing, even better than the PS3 controller design, because the PS4 have a trackpad on it while the PS3 don't have a trackpad on it. Also, these lights in the front makes it look cool. You can change the color of the light, but I selected blue. You got the regular PlayStation controller buttons on the left and right. What's new here is the option and share button, then the trackpad. Also, the PS4 have a speaker and a headphone port attached to it, and there's none of this on the PS3, so this is a huge upgrade. We also have this EXT port. I don't know what's used for, so please, if you know its purpose, make sure to comment below so that I can know. And here is the power button that powers it on and off. The buttons on this feels good, but I kind of like the PS3 buttons better. Here's the charging port, pretty fast charging. So now, let's connect with our computer and start using it. For the first time connection, you are going to press the power button together with the share button at the same time for at least 6 seconds. Then it starts blinking a light like this. From there you can proceed to Bluetooth on your device and it will notice the controller. Then you can tap on connect. So that's much of it. So this is the first time connection, and after the first time connection, the second time you are going to be using the controller with your computer, just push the power button once and it will automatically connect to your computer in less than 5 seconds. So now let's pick a game and play. This is an amazing game called Fallen Knight in Apple Arcade. I would advise you to get Apple Arcade because all their games have controller support. For a Windows user, check out Steam. There are a lot of cool games that supports controllers. Now, let's try connecting the same controller with a phone. We are going to try both on iPhone and on Android. So let's do that. So let's try connecting with my phone. As usual, push down the power and share button at the same time so that the Bluetooth in my phone can recognize the controller. Okay, after it starts blinking, go to settings, Bluetooth, then here it is. Then tap on it. Okay, it's connected and that's it. So let's pick a game and play. Let's play this game. This game is called Jetpack 2. It's a mobile game with a controller support, also Apple Arcade. As you can see, it's working and very responsive. This will be amazing with an iPad. This is cool. So you can play on iPhone with your controller or on the iPad too. So you have seen I connected with my iPhone and it works. So let's try that on the Android side. Okay, it's the same procedure. The power button and share at the same time. Once it starts blinking the lights, okay, we go to the settings on the phone. Here Bluetooth, then here it is, connect. Unfortunately here we don't have a controller support game, so that's it. But if you have a controller support game on your phone, you'll be able to play with the controller. But it's okay, as you can see it's working. So that's it. The battery life on the PS4 controller is decent, 3 to 4 hours of playing time. I think that's okay. But if you have an iPhone, an iPad or a Mac, I'll advise you to make sure you are subscribing to Apple Arcade because you are going to have plenty of games that supports your controller, and it's an amazing experience, honestly. So make sure to go check that. While on the Android side, I don't know where you can go and get mobile games exactly, but I'll make research on that. I will leave links in the description of the video if you want to check out too. And the good thing is Apple Arcade supports not just PS4 controllers, also Xbox controllers. So I will leave links for different colors of controller in the description of the video. Make sure to go check it out. The PS5 controller is way better though, but it's more expensive. This PS4 controller starts anywhere from $599 in the official PlayStation website, but the red and other colors cost way more than the black one. So that's much of it. Thanks for watching. That's all for the review. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos that will guide you on the right tech to purchase, so you don't have to go and waste your money buying junk tech devices. Yeah, that's waste of money. So make sure to like and subscribe. Until then, I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace.